You're welcome to my channel. Once again, I've told us that there are a lot of opportunities in this platform. Today, I will be giving us hints on the top five sites where we can learn coding. For some of us who are interested in learning coding, some of us don't know that there are more opportunities out there. There are bulk of opportunities out there that we have not even harnessed, that people don't know about. So today I'll be giving us a hint on the five top websites we can learn coding for free of charge. Five. Five. I'll be giving us five where we can learn coding free of charge. I promise. And you will enjoy it. Top number one, Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp. Number one. This is number one website where we can learn free coding. There are a lot of opportunities on this website. There are a lot. A comprehensive platform with hands-on projects in web development, JavaScript, Python, and many more. In this website, you have access to learn various coding. It's very good, very, very good for beginner. Very good. So you can go through this website and learn so many other things. Check on the aspects you want to go through, which of the coding you want to learn. It's free. It's free. It's all yours. So you just go through it and play around it and see what you can do. Start the journey today. So this is number one. Number two, Code Academy. Code Academy offers interactive coding lessons in JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, and more. It's one of the interactive websites that you can learn coding from. It is very, very great website. As you can see, just go to the website and learn one or two things. You have a bulk opportunities right here in Code Academy. Very interactive. You know, so go to the website and start something. Number three, Khan Academy. In this website, also have access to learn coding. All you need to do is to sign up, log in, then start your coding journey. It's free. You can log in, go through it freely. Take your time to check one or two things on the website. You have access to navigate around. So come on the website, log in, then see how you can explore the website. You have access to pay, then you have other options. So we have monthly, then we have yearly. At the same time, we have other options, others where you can learn freely. Khan Academy is one of the top websites that you can learn coding from free of charge. So come on this website, navigate around, play with it, see which of the websites we mentioned that you can learn from. Number four, the Odin Project. The Odin Project, a full stack, is a website where a full stack curriculum for aspiring web development with project-based learning. Is a place where you learn web development. It's a very great website. So if you are actually interested in web development and so many other programming languages, you are very welcome to Odin Project to learn this. You have options to navigate from. You have a lot of opportunity right here. Just come on this website to come and play around and see which areas you have to start with. It is free. So we don't have reasons to give blames on probably I don't have money or wherever. Come around, just play through the website and see how interesting the website is. So it's also another options where you can learn web development for beginner. Very, very interactive. Number 5, which is the top of it all that I love so much. W3 School. W3 School is one of the best websites where you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, Python, many C++, C++, C Sharps, many MySQL, jQuery. You can even learn Excel and so many other opportunities. I love this website. It is very, very interactive. They offer lessons, they offer trainings. When you learn, they will give you lessons. Each of the stages, they will be giving you lessons. You will know immediately if you are catching up or not. So it's one of the top websites where you can learn coding for free. So it's a great website. I love it so much. Honestly, if you really want to learn coding, web development, or whatever, W3 School, I will advise you come to W. In fact, it's one of the best place I can advise anybody to learn coding. W3 School is one of the great websites. Developer of this website, they've really done a great job for people. They simplify everything. Each trainings with lessons. You have to practice the lesson, then you move to the next stage. Practice the lesson, you move to the next stage. So there's so much design the website in such a way that it's interactive, it's good for beginner. If you are interested in learning coding, I will advise you come to this place. Just come and navigate around. So these are all the 5 websites that I can advise you come and learn coding for free. So just go through each of these websites. You might not like W School, 3 School. It could be all other that I have mentioned for the past that you are interested in. So just go through each of these websites and see if you are okay with them. Then choose to do something. So I'm giving you this to at least be a kind of opportunity for those of us who have subscribed to my channel. These are the kind of opportunity I keep saying that you benefit coming along with me. There are more other opportunities coming. I will discuss a lot on what you can benefit on the internet. I have a lot to discuss. What you don't even know that are there for you that you feel it's not possible. I am going to reveal it on this channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Follow up with me. You have load of opportunity that I will share with you. Thank you. Bye bye.